In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make live currency conversion in Excel. Before we start typing, make sure you are starting with a fresh worksheet or at least a clear area where you can build your table. This helps you follow along and see each part come together without confusion. To begin, we will set up the headers that define each column. Type currency pair into cell A1. Take a moment to confirm you are in cell A1 before you enter the text, because this is the label that will tell you what goes into that column. Next, type live rate in cell B1. This column will hold the exchange rate that Excel will pull in. Then type amount in cell C1. This is where you will enter the number you want to convert. Finally, type converted amount in cell D1. This column will calculate the final result using the rate and the amount. Now that the headings are in place, we need to enter the actual currency pair we want to convert. For this example, type USD/UR into cell A2. After you enter that, go ahead and click cell A2 so that the next actions relate to the currency pair cell you just filled. This is important because Excel uses your selection to determine what kind of data source it should insert. Next, click the Data tab. Once you are on the Data tab, look for the option labeled Currencies and click it. This step is what prepares Excel to work with currency data rather than plain text or manual entries. After you click Currencies, you will likely see Excel show currency-related options tied to the selected cell. Now we will insert the live price or live exchange rate. Click the Insert Data icon on cell A2. Then select Price from the available choices. This tells Excel that you want the live value associated with the currency pair rather than something else. When this step works correctly, you should see Excel display a live rate for the currency pair, and it will appear in the place where the live data is connected to your table. Once the live rate is inserted, we will add an example amount. Type 100 into cell C2. This gives you a clear starting point so you can immediately see the conversion result update based on the current live rate. Next, we will create the formula that calculates the converted amount. Type the code $C2*P2 in cell D2. As you do this, double-check that the formula references the correct cells. C2 is your input amount, and B2 is the live rate. Multiplying them produces the converted amount based on the current exchange rate that Excel is pulling. At this point, your worksheet setup is complete. You now have a currency pair, a live exchange rate, an amount, and a formula that automatically computes the converted value. If Excel is set to update data automatically, the converted amount can refresh as the live rate changes. It is a good idea to look at cell D2 and verify that it displays a number, which confirms the formula is working and the references are correct. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.